G'day and welcome to another Visions of Chaos tutorial. This tutorial is going to cover how to make a talking head video like this one.
Hello, I am here to let you all know that Visions of Chaos is the ultimate AI and machine learning related program for Windows. My image, my voice, and this animation all created using Visions of Chaos. If you have a good graphics card and are running Windows, go to softology.pro/voc.html to download and experiment with it right now. Have fun!
Okay, so the first step is to create the face we want to animate. So we can go into the text to image mode for that. And for this purpose, I'm using the Playground V2 script. So let's give it a prompt like a beautiful blonde woman looking into the camera. Okay, that will do as the example image we use. Next up, we need to create the AI voice that we want to use for the face. So for this purpose, go into Machine Learning, Audio, Text to Speech, and for this I'm using the XTTS Web UI mode. Start that. Okay, and once that loads up, I'm selecting the different Emma speaker, and you input the text you want it to say. So here we're going to have, wow, look at me. I am fully generated using AI in Visions of Chaos. And so once you've got the input text you want it to speak, just click Generate. And it only takes a second, and let's listen to that.
Wow, look at me. I am fully generated using AI in Visions of Chaos.
Okay, now that last bit there, that didn't sort of sound too good. Let's just listen.
In Visions of Chaos.
In Visions of Chaos. And so if you get something you don't like, you can just click Generate again.
Wow, look at me. I'm fully generated using AI in Visions of Chaos.
Okay, that one sounds better. And that's all we need to do with the XTTS Web UI. Okay, if we play the output from XTTS, you may notice it's got a bit of static or noise in the background.
Wow, look at me. I'm fully generated using AI in Visions of Chaos.
So if that's a problem, we can always run a denoise pass on that. And so for the denoiser, mode, machine learning, audio, denoising, and deep filter net. Select the audio file and click denoise.
Wow, look at me. I'm fully generated using AI in Visions of Chaos.
You'll notice that that's a lot clearer, and so we'll use that for our final animation. Okay, now, since the next step requires an MP3 file and we only have a WAV file, we have to convert that first. So just under Utilities, WAV to MP3 converter, select the WAV file, we'll output to the same location.
Wow, look at me. I'm fully generated using AI in Visions of Chaos.
Okay, and so now to animate the original face image with that audio file, we use Sad Talker. Sad Talker is under Machine Learning, Audio, Voice, and Sad Talker. We select the image, then we select the MP3 file, and click Start. That's all you've got to do. And once that's done, you can play the resulting movie.
Wow, look at me. I'm fully generated using AI in Visions of Chaos. Wow, look at me. I'm fully generated using AI in Visions of Chaos.
Okay, so that covers how you can make your own talking head in Visions of Chaos. Hope this tutorial helps. Thanks for watching.